everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what today is? If you haven't guessed from the title, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I'm actually making this the night before my birthday so that I could post this on my birthday, just because I did it last time, even though let's not talk about it. But on my old channel, I did make a birthday dress. That one was very fun. I didn't make it on time. It didn't quite go the way I planned. It has been a total disaster, but nonetheless, it was technically for my birthday. Anyway, this year is a new year, new me. Technically, I'm 15 pounds heavier, so I wanted to think of a design that makes me feel comfortable in my current body size that is literally always changing. Anyway, I decided to go with a dress that I actually made for Easter. I wanted to use the same pattern, but we're gonna change it up a tiny bit. Now, this Easter dress was a smock dress that I made on my old channel, so you won't see it on this channel, however it was at my old one. And if you're new here and you have no idea what I'm talking about, basically I had an old channel that I was pursuing, but it was something that I had for over 12 years, and I think the algorithm just didn't know what to do with my channel or something. I didn't really have very good luck in posting videos. I wasn't seeing much growth, so I decided to start over, brand new, fresh slate, and here we are on that brand new channel, and it's already had so much better success, I guess, in finding the right audience, and I feel so much better about it. So even though I had to start over, and it really sucks that I did, I've been able to build the kind of audience that I was hoping for. So if that's you, and you've been here for a while, thank you so much. And if you're new, feel free to subscribe if you enjoy sewing content, because that's what I do here. Okay, let's get to business. This is the pattern that I got off of Etsy. I will link it down below. It is a smock dress. These are the bodice pieces. Why does it feel so dark? Hold on. That's a little bit better. These are the bodice pieces. It's called the Harper dress by the Sew Club on Etsy. This time around, I wanted to give it sleeves, which I do have the sleeve pattern. I'm going to alter these pieces to create the perfect smock dress for my birthday. The reason why I chose this dress is because I wanted it to go up to here, the bodice, and then just be tiered out. I wanted it to be loose around my belly, so I didn't feel like my belly was being pressured with like anything fitted, or that I felt like I was exploding out of it, because it's gonna be my birthday and I want to be able to have fun, have dinner, and not worry about something feeling uncomfortable or people asking if I'm pregnant again, because I'm not. That is why I picked a smock dress. I feel like it's the perfect dress to just feel comfortable while looking cute. But for the sleeves, I wanted them to just be normal sleeves up until the elbow, and then I wanted it to be like kind of ballooned out on the bottom half of the arm. We'll see how that goes. The fabric I'm using is actually thrifted. I thrifted this whole bolt, and there's like a decent amount. Oh, some of it fell off. I just realized there's more of it. I just see over there falling off. So I thrifted this entire bolt for $3, no joke. So I don't know what kind it is, because I'm pretty sure they just receive it as a donation. Maybe it says mine black. Does it say? Oh, ooh. Oh, it's polyester. This is a bummer. Oh well, we're gonna wear plastic. It says textured polyester. Wait, it says white. This is clearly not white. Maybe they reused this bolt. Oh, does it feel polyester though? Oh yeah, it kind of does look polyester, to be honest. Let's see if we can burn it. Yes, this looks plastic. It looks like it's melting. It's pretty thick. It's not comfortable necessarily. It's kind of scratchy feeling, but it is thick, and I feel like it'll make a nice one-layer dress. That way we don't have to line it or anything like that. Usually smock dresses are not lined anyway. So I thought it'd be a nice, cute little fall outfit. I know it's black. I love black. Black makes me feel, I don't know, a little bit more confident, to be honest. It makes me look classy. It's just the color that I have. So let's get to sewing this smock dress. Join in the fun. Be sure to hit subscribe if you're not already and you love sewing content. Might as well subscribe, and let's go. before I forget, I didn't shorten the bodice before cutting, which is fine, but now I'm going to figure out how long I want it. So I'm gonna go from the top of my shoulder down to right under my bust, which brings me at about, I would say 16 would be good. Maybe 15? There's a 15 and 16, so 15 and a half. All right, an inch and a half should be good. Those are the bodice pieces. Ready to go. Now we're gonna cut the sleeves. This is like the little bottom part of the sleeve. We're gonna copy it over because I forgot that cutting it on a fold means you only have one and we need two because it's for two sleeves. And then we will gather it to a cuff or elastic. I figured out, why are my socks falling off? I figured out what I'm gonna do to create the skirt. So essentially, I'm gonna do one long strip. That'll be the first tier, and then we'll do two of the same for the bottom tier, and so the bottom will be doubled. So I'll connect the two long strips, long rectangles. That was tiring. Guys, it's not even late. I'm already tired. No, I'm not that tired. We got this. 11:13. I'm gonna put on music and continue cutting. What I gotta do is figure out how long I want it on my body. We'll do 12 and 12. Yep, that works for me. My belly is full from a day of eating. Now where's my yardstick? You know what? I'm tired. Tired of cutting. Luckily, the project I was working on was with black fabric, so we get to keep this thread. So we're gonna start with the bodices. This is the back, and this is the front. Now we're gonna attach the shoulder seams. All right, this is the bodice. I love this height here. You know, like feels comfy already. Like my crop top. Oh gosh, what time is it? Okay, it's 11:44 and I think we're gonna finish this really fast because it's just taking me forever to actually like get in the zone. But now that we're here, we're here. Now it's time to attach the sleeves. But first I need to make the sleeves. We're gonna make the little bellowed out, whatever you call it, balloon. We're gonna make it. All right, here's the sleeves. And then here's the bell part. Gather this part and then sew it all the way around. Okay, so now that we have the sleeve, and I think I'm gonna have to serge it ahead of time, then we'll get back to attaching this part to the bottom of the sleeve. I do have to cut and shorten the sleeve just a tad, just because it left a lot for a hem, but we're not hemming it, we're just attaching it. Bad news. Well, look, it's not the worst news. Okay, it's not the worst. So I did the sleeve, but you know what? 3/4 sleeve is what I cut. I would have needed a half sleeve, not a 3/4. Meaning the top part is too long before it. Okay, first of all though, loving the bubble. That's exactly what I was wanting, okay? I put it on my arm to kind of test it out. Clearly, it goes, this is supposed to be at my elbow. I didn't even think to like measure that first. Why? Okay, it's fine. That's fine. We're gonna raise it up higher. I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet on this one. Okay, so what I decided to do is I cut it off and I still left the sewn part. Okay, so this is inside out. And then I shortened both sleeves. Pretty much, I'm just gonna do, to match it up to the other one, I'm gonna do a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and that will make it match up. So, okay, so we're gonna line it all up and sew it in. And hope for the best, cause that's what we do here. We always hope for the best. Never mind. Our way through. What time is it? 1:20 a.m. and the time goes back tonight, so when it turns 2 it's gonna be 1 a.m. again, so I get a little do-over. I'm just kidding. I get an extra hour. Woo! So it's time to put the sleeves in. What we're gonna do is, I have little notches so I know which one's the back and which one's the front, so the double notches is the back. Just falls and disappears completely. Really? It just disappears completely? Oh, forget it. I don't have time for this. Bodice is looking great. We're gonna move on to the tiers. So we're gonna do the first one. I'm just gonna straight serge them and then we'll do the second tier. I'm gonna combine the bottom tier together. Oops. Okay, we got a short one and a long one. Now we got to attach and gather the long one. Wish me luck on that. I might be able to do it with the serger. To the end. We're almost to the end. I'm hemming it. So not the most comfortable or ideal fabric, but I think it works. Alright, I'm still wearing my black pants underneath, but it goes to my knee, which is what I was kind of thinking. I can wear tights underneath. I do realize that this top tier for some reason kind of looks a little blocky. I don't know if that's a word, but I realized because this bottom one is 2 times gather and this one was just whatever gather, so probably more closer to like 1.5, and I was like, oh, I didn't think about that. Like I didn't think to do the same amount of gather. It's fine, it's too late now, we can't go back. But yes, okay, so for the sleeves, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do like elastic sleeves because I try to picture like the little poof and it's really hard to do, but I think it'd still be really cute. Basically, I already serged it. I'm going to fold it over, create a channel, and then I'm going to string in or string and then I'm going to feed the elastic through, close off that elastic part, and there you have it. And we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it just looks like a nice little poofy sleeve at the bottom with a like band. I might maybe make it a little thick depending on the elastic I have. Ooh, I do have elastic that's this thick. That could be a good width. Wait, would that be too, do I even have that much? I might not have that much on the sleeve. You know, I think I'll just do this width right here, like a 1/2 inch. I think that should be good. I'll figure it out. It'll get sorted. And this is the final look of the dress, the grand reveal. I think it's super comfortable, not the most ideal feeling from the fabric, but either way, it's really comfortable. I probably wouldn't have minded the bodice to be a little bit closer to my body, hugging me a little bit more, but because it's loose and bigger, it's comfortable with like my current body. So I feel like either way it works out. But anyway, I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my birthday now. My son has been taking a nap, so I wanted to get this video out and show you guys my birthday dress. I'm gonna be wearing this out to dinner tonight with my little family, and I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed and you want to give me a birthday gift, give me a comment and a subscription. I would love to have you guys back to see more videos that I have planned. I really hope that you have an amazing Sunday or whatever day you're watching this, and enjoy your November because, you know, it's the best month. It's my birthday month. Okay, bye guys.